Namaste. Welcome in my second part of journal voucher. In first part, I had explained about the formulas of journal voucher. Then in this part, I have kept here solution of journal voucher with examples. In journal voucher, I had described about this format at top Government of Nepal, District Education Office Kathmandu, journal voucher, AGF number 10, journal voucher number, date, and inside the table code number, particular, ledger folio, budget head number, debit amount and credit amount, and in the second part receipt number, amount received, submitted by post date, check number, check amount approved by post date. This is the complete format of journal voucher. We have to keep all the record of financial transaction for the first time making such journal voucher in the office of government offices. Journal voucher is same as the journal book of business accounting. Here is same rule: debit the receiver, credit the giver, debit what comes in, credit what goes out, debit expenses losses, credit income and gain. What I had described in the previous topic as a formula, all debit credit. If we know that formula, then all items, all the problems we can make easily, we can solve easily. Let's start. Question comes like this: budget release received rupees 6 lakh from the office of the Treasury and Comptroller through bank transfer. Suppose we are the accountant of operating level office and we get budget release from the government, from the central level office. While budget release received, we have to make journal voucher like this. I had explained in the previous video. While budget release received, our formula is debit NR Bank, credit budget release. And same debit NR Bank and credit budget release we have to write in the journal voucher. It is the format. And debit and credit, debit NR Bank 6 lakh, credit budget release 6 lakh. Debit and credit items, if we learn by heart or if you know that properly, there will be nothing difficult to make journal voucher. Narration should be written for supporting of this transaction for budget release. Why debit NR Bank, budget release credit? For budget release receipt. For or being what can be used in this narration, and we have to explain this. Debit NR Bank means we receive this amount and it is debited in our bank account. So this amount is received by us. Amount received 6 lakh. We have to write here in the words. They are in the figure. Then in words we have to write down, and in check amount, check number, no need to mention. While receiving, we have to write down in the receive amount only, and submitted by Mr. X, accountant, post, and date is written there. Approved by Mr. Y, post is manager, and date mentioned. And this is the journal voucher for budget release received. Similarly, while revolving fund release, total should be done. Revolving fund release received rupees 2 lakh from the office of the Treasury and Comptroller through bank transfer. We know this formula: debit NR Bank, credit revolving fund, and in same format we have to write down debit NR Bank, credit revolving fund. Debit amount 2 lakh. Credit also 2 lakh, and total will be 2 lakh, and being revolving fund release received, narration should be written. amount 2 lakhs in the receipt amount, nothing to be written other things, but same thing submitted by Mr. X, Y in this way, same thing we can write. Sometimes bank order and budget release receipt order, two amounts are given in this way. Bank order and budget release receipt order 5 lakh and 6 lakh respectively from the office of the treasury and comptroller through bank transfer. In such cases, we have formula, already I described about this, debit NR bank, credit budget release, debit or credit revolving fund where there is less. And let us see here in the format, debit NR bank, 5 lakh is debit, credit budget release, 6 lakh is there, and which side is heavier? Credit side, left side, debit side is lighter than this, and shortage amount is 1 lakh rupees. We have to write down it in the debit side, debit revolving fund 1 lakh, and both the sides should be equal. Then debit NR bank, this amount, NR bank's amount should be written in the receipt amount. Next number, question number 4, out of total salary rupees 5 lakh distributed after deducting provident fund 50,000 and income tax 20,000 through a check. As I described in the previous, provident fund, income tax are deducted from the salary while distributing salary to the employees. Then these deducted amounts should be deposited into provident funds office and income tax office. And for this, while salary distributing, we have formula, debit B salary, credit provident fund, credit income tax, credit Tejarat Sapati, credit personnel loan, credit in citizen investment fund, and credit NR bank. But all these items are not needed now because there is given only provident fund and another income tax. We can write like this, debit B salary, and for the expenditure, budget expenditure head should be written in the BS number. The budget expenditure head of salary is 21111. It should be written here, an amount 5 lakh, credit provident fund 50,000, credit income tax 20,000, and credit NR bank, that remaining amount 4,30,000. This 4,30,000 should be given to the employees after deducting provident fund and income tax. Only the check of 4,30,000 is issued from the office to distribute salary, and narration should be written, total both the sides should be equal. 4,30,000 should be written in the word check amount. Okay. This check amount should be written from the NR bank's amount. Next question is, deducted amount from the salary deposited into their respective accounts through check number 0056. Formula we know, debit provident fund, credit income tax, debit income tax, debit Tejarat Sapati, debit citizen investment fund, and credit NR bank. All items will be debited, only NR bank should be credited, and we do not need Tejarat Sapati citizen investment fund here not given, so we have to write this much only. Debit provident fund, debit income tax, credit NR bank, total we have to do 70,000, and check amount 70,000. Check number should be written. If check number is given, check number should be written in the check number place. 0056 is the check number, and other as it is, as I described already previous question. Next number, advance is given to storekeeper Hari rupees 50,000 for purchasing furniture through check number 00345. We have formula: debit storekeeper Hari, advance for furniture, credit NR Bank, and debit or credit. While advance debit storekeeper Hari, advance for furniture, credit NR Bank. While giving advance, the post of the advance taker and name, post and name those who have taken advance should be mentioned there, and advance for what purpose it is given should be written, and credit NR Bank. Same thing we applied here. Debit storekeeper Hari, advance for furniture, BS number 29311, that is the BS number of furniture, and credit NR Bank, both side 50,000. Check number is given 00345, amount is given 55,000. In this way we have to write down. Next question is, storekeeper Hari clear his furniture advance after submitting bill of furniture rupees 50,000. Then we had given advance for purchasing furniture, and while clearing we need this formula: debit B furniture, credit those who had taken advance, his name, his post and name should be written, and advance clearance should be written. Storekeeper Hari, furniture advance clear, and if there is less amount or more amount than advance taken, it should be written NR Bank, debit or credit where there is less. Here furniture 50,000, advance clear also 50,000, because advance also was taken same amount 50,000. Therefore, no need to write here debit or credit NR Bank. Total in this way. Here is another option. Section officer Hari clear his furniture advance after submitting bill of furniture rupees 55,000. In place of 50,000 advance, he purchased furniture of rupees 55,000. It means he spent 5,000 rupees from his pocket. This shortage amount should be given by the office. So formula is debit B furniture, credit storekeeper Hari, furniture advance clear. Here will be credit NR Bank, because 5,000 should be given by office. Debit B furniture, credit storekeeper Hari, advance clearance, credit NR Bank, because 5,000 is issued a check and paid to the Hari, paid to Hari. Next number, if expenditure is less than advance amount, here is section officer Hari clear his furniture advance after submitting bill of rupees 45,000. Section officer had taken advance rupees 50,000, but he purchased furniture of rupees only 45,000. Then 5,000 he should submit to the office, and here he submitted bank voucher of 5,000. In such case, same formula we have to apply. We can make journal voucher like this: debit B furniture 45,000, debit NR Bank 5,000, because 5,000 we got return from section officer, storekeeper Hari, and his advance was 50,000. It was clear now. Total in this way. Next one, petty cash fund is established of rupees 5,000 interested assistant Raj through check number 0456. I talk about this petty cash fund already. While establishing petty cash fund, formula is debit petty cash fund, credit NR Bank, and we have to make like this type of journal voucher. All format are same and amount should be written in this way. debit petty cash fund, credit NR bank for petty cash fund establish. Then total should be done and check amount 5,000 is given, other are same. While petty cash fund is closed, here is question, petty cash fund is closed by assistant Raj of rupees 5,000 submitting a bank voucher. That petty cash fund is closed, and we know formula, while petty cash fund is closed, debit NR bank, petty cash fund credit, and same thing, copy paste, we can write debit NR bank, credit petty cash fund, amount should be written 5,000, total both the side 5,000 amount, received amount, debit NR bank, so amount received is 5,000, it should be written. Another question is there, assistant Hari submitted bill of petty expenses for the following reimbursement and reimbursed his petty cash fund. Tea and coffee rupees 500, taxi fare 400, telephone charge 700, office material 400. We know formula, while petty expenses are reimbursed, we have to make debit and all the expenses should be written in the debit side, be it travelling expenses, that taxi fare should be written in the travelling expenses, tea and coffee should be written as a miscellaneous expenses, communication charge, office expenses, all these budget expenditures. So debit B, travelling expenses, debit B, miscellaneous expenses, debit B, communication charge, debit B, office expenses, credit NR bank, and same thing we can write inside the journal voucher. While writing this expenditure, budget head number should be written 22711 for miscellaneous expenses, 22612 for travelling expenses. In this way, an amount in debit side and credit side, both sides should be equal according to formula. All things we can fill up here. While purchase machineries, here is given question, purchase machinery of rupees 1 lakh for office use through check number 0045. While purchase machineries, we know formula, debit B, machineries and equipments, credit NR bank, and same formula we have to apply while making journal voucher, debit B, machinery and equipments, credit NR bank, BS number for machineries 29511, and amount, total amount should be equal both side, check amount 1 lakh, it is written. In this way, we can prepare the journal voucher. It is the solution, example solution of journal voucher. Now, I think all things we learn. Let's make together our learning better. Your constructive feedback is always welcome. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.